Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. Thanks for watching our videos. If you are not yet subscribed our channel, I would request you subscribe our channel so that whenever we are uploading any new videos of these programs, you will get a notification. As you have seen that we are also uploading some educational related videos as well. If you are planning or if you are preparing for some government exam as well, so you'll get an update about the same. At the same time, we are also providing some guidance for gate as well, and for related to that we have uploaded one gate related examination details, which we'll be conducting in 2021, along with the syllabus, what is the criteria, everything. So thank you for watching our videos. Today, as part of this session or as part of this video, we'll basically help you with the program that is to accept students 5 courses marks and compute his or her result. Student is passing if he or she scores more equal to and above in each course. If student scores aggregate greater than 75%, then the grade is distinction. If aggregate is greater than equal to 60 but less than 75, the grade the grade if first division. If aggregate is greater than 50, greater than equal to 50 but less than 60, then it will be second division, and at last it will be third division. So this is the program where student is the class. Okay, we have initialized the constructor where marks dot list is the properties of that constructor. Okay, marks dot list value will be stored in self dot marks. This is the condition which is basically used to determine the grade of the student. Okay, then this is basically helps you in calculating the or how to calculate the aggregate marks. And once the aggregate marks will be once the aggregate marks will be created, or once the total marks will be added at after that, it will check the condition for first class, distinction, second class, or third class or third division. This is the main part of the program. And number of count that you number of subject, we can say subject count is 5. Okay, this is the function that will be called list. Then user will enter the number of marks and its value will be incremented by 1, for means each time it will take one input from user until 5 subject will be supplied. This you will find that marks underscore list append score, it's a data type in Python. If you are not sure about it, you can find that it's basically used to add an item to the end of the list. Okay, and at the last it will compute the grade and it will print its value. So let's run the program and see how it's working. You can see that it's asking me one by one marks of each subject. So let's provide each and individual subject marks. Okay, so we can see that after calculating all the subject marks, it has print us the it will show the result of the per student. And if you will add all these subject marks, you'll get the value which will be of course for the second division. Okay, so this is the way this program has been designed, and you will find the link of this program on our YouTube video. If you have any query, any suggestion, please feel free to drop it in the comment section of this video, and we'll try to get back to you as early as we can. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day. Bye bye.